How to fix Vanish Mode not working on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your Vanish Mode is not working on Instagram. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you want to go over to Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from there, you basically tap on the messages section. Go to the chat where you want to turn on Vanish Mode. And usually what you do is swipe up from your chat and it will turn on the disappearing messages or the vanish mode. If you're unable to do so, you need to first check your internet connection. Swipe down on your control panel and you need to toggle off your Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data and see if this will do the trick. If you're on data, do the exact opposite, and in most cases this should do the fix, but if you're still facing it, then you can try to toggle on your airplane mode, keep it turned on for a few seconds, and turn it off after a few seconds. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and try to do it again. If that doesn't work, this time you can try to clear cache from your Instagram app. Tap on the I button. Then all you have to do is go to storage, tap on clear cache, and then go back. Go to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then the final thing you can do is try to force stop the app. So it's going to completely stop it. Then tap on OK. And you can try to reopen the app and try it again. So I'll go over to messages, go to my chat, and I can even change the duration of the disappearing messages. Let's say if I want it to be instant, I can tap and change. Tap on once they've been seen, and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.